Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss logical reasoning handout 3531902. Now this handout is based on later series. Now it's a very easy handout. Once I tell you how to do these questions, after initial 4 5 questions you will be able to do that part. Okay, so I want you to solve along with me rather than just seeing the solutions of the questions. Okay, so for initial few questions we'll actually try to find the full answers. Later, after getting some clue, we'll try to work from the options also. Okay, so let's start with the later series part. Now before going for the actual question, just understand a few basic things. So in exam also you have to do the same thing. Now when you get the rough sheets in the exam, what you have to do, you have to first write the English alphabets. Okay, that is A, B, C, D up to Z. But I want you to write them in a particular order. So I want you to write like this. Okay, so you write A to M, that is half. Okay, A to M, that is 13, total 26 alphabets are there. So half the number of alphabets is 13. So A to M and N to Z, and give them number as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Okay, so in exam when you get the rough sheets, you can write down this part on that, so that you can refer that when the later series questions come in your reasoning part. Fine. So what I'll suggest you, I give you some time, you just copy this part. If you do that part properly, you don't have to do a very not a say big writing part also. Probably with just one page you can solve all the questions now. So that easy topic it is, but this part you need to write down, right? So just write down this part. Okay, I give you some time to copy this part and you also solve the questions along with me. So if you have a handout in front of you, you can go further also and solve the further questions also. But first you copy this part. So write down, just write down this, copy this part. We require this part. So numbering is 1 to 13, that is A to M, N to Z, that is 14 to 26. Okay, so just copy that part. Yeah, take some time, copy that part quickly. Okay, with every question I will show this on a screen again. But if you are trying, then this should be ready with you. Then only you will be able to try the questions quickly. And more you practice, you will come to know the you can relate the numbers with the laters also. Fine. So copy this A to Z and number them like this. So again I want you to do it half 1 to 13, 14 to 26. That's the way I want. Okay. So do that part quickly, so we can start with the questions. Okay, so I hope everybody is ready with this data. Now let's move to the questions part. Okay, look at the first question. So with the help of questions only, I'll explain the basics. Okay, now this is D, E, G, J, N, S. Now see, for your understanding purpose, I might be doing a lot of writing part. But in exam, you do the lesser writing part. Fine. So this should be there definitely. Okay, now if I look at D, E, J. So if you look at D to E, it's just a +1. E to J, okay, D, E just +1, E to G, it is not J. Okay, so D to E, it's a +1, E to G 5, 7, so it's +2. Okay, after G, that is J, so J 7 to 10, it's +3. Okay, J to N, now look at J is number 10, N is 14. Okay, so then means what, till N I am going +4, 10 becomes 14, so +4 I am going, so I am going till N here, let's say. Okay, and from N to S, that is 14 to 19, it is plus 5, right? So if you look at a pattern, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So now it should be plus 6, 19 plus 6, that should give you 25. 19 plus 6 should give you 25. So your answer should be Y option. Your answer should be Y option. That is your option B. Fine. So answer is Y, that is option B. Okay. Now what I want is, here I have done this showing this part, but I am saying I want in the exam you to do a lesser writing part. I don't even want you to write down the things. So for example, I say D is plus 4, E is 5. So I will just write like this, plus 1, 5, then J. G is 5, 7. 5, 7 means plus 2. Then after G, there is J. So this is 7. This one like this. This is 4. This is 5. Then 7. Then 10. Then 14. So I can say here 4 to 5 plus 1. 5 to 7 plus 2. 7 to 10 plus 3. 10 to 14 plus 4. Okay. 14 to 19 plus 5. And now it should be plus 6. 19 plus 6, it should come 25. So 25 means it should be Y. Okay. But here I am circling those numbers. Okay. I don't want you to circle that in exam. I want you to remember them. Your plus 1, plus 2, and directly you see what it comes. So more and more practice you do, you will be more comfortable. Right. So 25, that is option B. Y is your answer. Clear? Can you look at a question number 2? Similar one. Can you try this question? D, F, H, I, J, L, N, O, P. Okay. No issues? Okay. Just look at D, F, H, D, 4, F. Okay. Then what? H. Then I, J are continuous. Okay. Then L, N, O, P. L, N, O, P. Okay. Fine. Then is P. After P, you want to find out. Now look at here. 4 to 6, it's plus 2, plus 2. Then it is plus 1, plus 1. Again 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Again plus 1, plus 1. Now next should be plus 2. So 16 plus 2, it should be 18. Okay, can you see the pattern? 4 to 6 plus 2, 6 to 8 plus 2. Then 8 to 9, 9 to 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10 to 12 plus 2, 12 to 14 plus 2, 14 to 15, 15 to 16 plus 1 plus 1. Now again it should be plus 2 now. Okay, so 16 plus 2, it should be 18. That is R. R means which option? That is your option C. Okay, so once you locate what are the numbers related to those letters, then you can answer them quickly. Fine. Only thing is, for your understanding, circling them. In exam, can you trace the pattern without writing anything? You can just put a point over there, okay, and then check that part. Fine. Can you try question number 3? Easier one, you should get it. USOI. USOI. So can you get the answer? Can you locate where they are? Okay, don't even write the numbers. In whatever the chart I have given, you see where is U, where is S, how much backward you are going, and then you'll get some pattern. Okay? Ready with the answer? Let's see. U, 21. S means you are going 2 backward. O, S to O means you are going 19 to 15 means you are going 4 backward. Okay, so first was minus 2, 21 to 19 was minus 2, 19 to 15 was minus 4. After OI, 15, I is number 9. Now from 15 you are going to 9. 15 to 9 means you subtracted 6. So you are going minus 6. Okay. So can you get the pattern? Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Next should be by this logic minus 8. Now I is number 1. So I is number 9. What is 9 minus 8? 9 minus 8 should be number 1. What is number 1 later? Number 1 later is A. Number 1 later is A. Getting the idea? Fine. So I got the value of your blank, that series part is A. Okay, so they are in a series. I want to find out this. So this is A. So which is option A? That is your which is the A? That is option D. So answer to the question number 3 is D part. Is that fine? No issues? So I hope you got the idea what I am talking. So what is your questions? Your question format is they are given the letters in a series. They are given one blank. You continue that series. What will be that blank part? That's what you are trying to find out. Fine. Let's look at next question. So can you try that next question? Can you try the next question? I show you on the screen. UOIE. UOIE. Can you locate how much backward you are going? You'll get the pattern. U21. O is 15. 21 to 15 means minus 6. I is 9. Okay, so basically 21 to 15 minus 6. 15 to 9 minus 6. After I it is E. 9 to E. Now this is not, this is minus 4. So something going wrong now. I am not getting a proper series here. If I go by the normal pattern, I am not getting anything right now. Now, can you look at those letters? Those are very specific letters. U, O, I, E, all are vowels in a reverse order. Look at U. Which are your vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Now they are writing the vowels in a reverse order. U, O. Next vowel is I. Next vowel is E. After E, next vowel is going to be A. So here, this is just a series of vowels. Your answer is option. Answer is A. That is your option A. Okay, so I tried first like minus 6, but I am not getting a pattern. Minus 6, minus 4. So something is wrong. Okay, then I realized U, O, I, E, A are the vowels. So by that logic, the answer is A, option A. Okay, so vowels, consonant, that is a very, very common logic. Fine. Okay, can you look at the next question? Okay, can you try this? You should get the answer. C, F, J, M, Q, T. Okay, you don't even need to put your pen on the paper also for that. Just got the answer? Okay, so what will you get? C, number 3. Okay. Then what? F. Okay. Then what? J. Are you getting a pattern? 3 to 6 plus 3. 6 to 10 is plus 4. After 10, J is M. M is 13. So 10 to 13 again plus 3. After M it is Q. 13 to 17 is plus 4. And after Q it is T. 17 to 20 again it is plus 3. So my pattern is very obvious. Plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Next should be plus 4. 20 plus 4 is 24. Your answer should be X. So X is which option? That is your option C. So answer to the question number 5 is X. That is your option C. Okay, so I have to just see the pattern. Plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. Alternately it is. Right?